The Ishavaasya Upanishad is concerned with the sections on spiritual wisdom, Janana Kanda. Since the opening mantra of this Upanishad starts with the word Ishavaasya, pervaded by the Supreme, the Upanishad is called by that name. All things of this world, the transitory, the evanescent, are enveloped by the Lord, who is the true reality of each. Therefore, they have to be used with reverent renunciation and without covetousness or greed. For they belong to the Lord and not to any one person. Universe is the immanence of the Lord, His form, His body. It is wrong to take the universe and its Lord as different. It is a delusion, just a product of your own imagination. Just as your image under the water is not different from you, the universe, which is His image produced on your ignorance, is the same as He. As long as one has this delusion, one cannot visualize the reality immanent within. In fact, one will slide into wrong thoughts, words, and deeds. A piece of sandalwood produces a bad smell when kept in water, but when taken out and rubbed into paste, the former perfume will return. When the authority of the Vedas and scriptures is respected, and when discrimination is sharpened on the practice of dharmic actions, the evil smell of wrong and wickedness will vanish and the pure innate perfume of the Atma will emerge. Then, the duality of doer and enjoyer will disappear, and the stage will be reached that is called withdrawal from all activity, sarva karma sannyas.